The work environment is very fast-paced. We make 4,000 transmissions a day. We run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
ZF supplies systems for passenger cars, commercial vehicles, and industrial technology. Enables the next generation of mobility. Teamwork and collaboration is the culture of the company, but digitalization is the future of the company. Before Teams, we were locating our files in one system, getting our reports from another system, combining them, working multiple platforms, and we're not talking each other effectively. I wanted to change the process logic, and I decided to use Power Apps and Power Automate. Power Platform is really a very strong toolbox for us. In task management, you can directly access and design something to improve your productivity.
Here we have these users. They want to build these Power Apps. When they want to advance a little bit more, get a little bit more technical with the data, now Dataverse for Teams, out of the box, it's already prepared with its own security model when you're working with business data. Strictly confidential data, public data, internal data. You're able to basically create all of that into one relational database.
In Teams, if you are using Dataverse, you can just create a table and you can create your application, share that application in a single Teams channel, and then you can start to use the application in a few days. So that's a huge difference. My first application was performance review application for our hourly employees. Our current paper-based performance review application was not working well. I didn't have to go to IT because everything was inside the team. I just opened my table, created a table, and built an application on it, then share it to my teams. It was really very easy. We have turnover tracking and corrective canceling application for our HR use. My HR colleagues gained around 50% of operational time and 100% data accuracy in our reporting systems.
Everything inside of Teams with Power Apps, Power Automate, everything right there, it makes things simple. It's all about placement of an app. You have to build that experience where they're excited to get in there and like, man, I just saved a lot of time and frustration. Thank you. And that's what puts a smile on my face. We're trying to bring Power Platform and Teams on a global scale across ZF.
Everybody knows it works and it helps to ease people's lives.